Hey, yo, I'm editing the video right now. It's about to go up, but this is a video before the intro. I just wanted to say that I looped my bike, fucking broke a peg, so I ended up selling my old pegs and traded them for a prickly bracket. Now I got the bracket missing the pegs. There goes the fucking rear fender, but I'm missing the pegs. Waiting on prickly pegs. Prickly, yo, ship your shit out, bro. Dead ass. I've been waiting 2 months for a fucking moto brake kit, and we've been waiting like almost 3 weeks for pegs, bro.
Dead ass, bro. Y'all been going crazy and shit, fucking supporting, commenting. You know, we be watching all them comments and shit. We be replying and shit. So, got any more advice or something? Just comment down below. Tell us what we can do to make the videos better.
Bro, I appreciate all the love, dead ass. Any like feedback y'all got or whatever. Yes, I know I suck at wheelies. Don't keep saying that shit, bro.
You got the bike 2 months ago.
Oh God, I'm waiting on fucking
better than most
brakes.
of y'all on 72 volts. Come on.
But
Shit's
no.
sad. There's some goons out there.
But we hope you enjoy the video. This video is mainly Kev riding. Well, it is only Kev riding because my shit's broken. So I gave him the GoPro, told him to get some clips. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy this. Appreciate the love, hella, bro. That shit means like so much. We're almost at 100 subscribers, so I appreciate y'all. But yeah, I hope you enjoy this shit.
Only up from here.
What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. About to take out the run for a little ride on 100%. New B3 display. Yeah, we're just gonna go on a little chill ride. I'm gonna go hit up the bank, put some money in my account. I've just been having a bunch of cash, but might end up going to the homie's crib, see what's up. But we'll get back to you when I'm on the street riding. Alright guys, out here on the streets, about to see what we can do. Just gonna go mess around. It's pretty early right now. I don't know if you guys can see, 8:51 in the morning. Just gonna go see what we can get into. It's looking pretty cold out. That's why I put a hoodie on. Yeah, hopefully you guys can hear good. Hopefully it's not too windy or anything. Cool little long road. But I'll get back to you guys when I'm on a cool little street so I can do some wheelies. Alright guys. Little chill straight road right here. Hopefully I don't see a cop. See what we can get into. Doesn't want to stay up. Oh, I thought that was a cop. Thought that was a cop. Damn, bro. I've been so rusty, low-key. Yeah, I've been so fucking rusty. Low-key not fucking with the gloves right now. Throttle's way too touchy. Alright, let's keep moving. Holy fuck. Chad, that's a sheriff. Oh, hell no. Yo, a sheriff just came out of nowhere. Alright, bet that. dusty right now. This shit weird. Can we get up from there? There's the opening. I thought that was a chopper. Alright guys, I'm gonna check the camera angles right now, see if they're looking good. If not, I'll change it up right now, but I'll be back. Yeah, we back in business. Hey. See what's the deal, what's going on over here. Alright, we back in business, did what we needed to do. Bro don't know how to make a turn. GG's. I low-key do not want to go back towards my crib because that sheriff, I don't know if he was looking for other people because I've seen hella dust on my way towards where he was at. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go back that way. We'll see though. We just outside enjoying the nice Cali weather. Some horses over there and shit. I got some of those. This fucking throttle is too touchy, bro. Holy shit. This is stock throttle on V3, bro, and it feels like FX. The shit is insane. I feel like I need to fix something on my throttle because I feel like it's giving throttle on itself. It's weird, I don't know. but right now just mobbing through pretty much Menifee. About to see if we can pull up to the homies crib or something. Fucking take it or some shit. Oh shit. I'm not trying to go back towards that way and get fucked by a sheriff just because he couldn't get the other people he was looking for, so. We're just gonna see what it's looking like right now. Get a little wheelie in though. Damn, bro. I think I need to fix something with my ratio because this thing, it's not feeling as torquey. It's still pretty torquey, but it's not torquey enough to keep the bike up and stay in a wheelie. It's really weird. And then throttle, still getting used to it. Well, I don't know if I need to mess with the settings, but yeah. Pretty chill. I think I'm gonna go down this road. It's a nice, pretty straight road. Pretty chill. Hopefully a sheriff ain't around. I'll just cross this bitch. Alright. Let's get it, chat. Back from this shit, bro. It feels so weird. Yeah, bro. Ever since I hopped on this throttle, I can't combo. Wait, low-key? I'm gonna go right through here. Oh, fuck it, I'm gonna wheelie down this. Pair of skateboard, chat. Bike throttle on itself, chat. Woo. Oh, there's a board right there. What the hell? Holy shit! Grass is wet. Pretty chill. Nice little skate park. Pretty bored if anyone wants it. Paris skate park. Come cop. Holy fuck. Oh shit. Alright. Well, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and end it right here, to be honest. Just gonna go back home right now. Not really anything else to get a video up, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the little ride to the bank and just around Menifee stuff, Paris. Yeah, make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.